Hello and welcome to the Real Time Forex Trader. We are here trading euro dollar. It is 2:26 in the afternoon in London. This is the IG trading platform. We've got a number of shorts on now after the, before and after the announcement at 1:15. We had the US ADP employment report, 145 instead of the 200,000 anticipated. Last month, 242,000. The dollar was run up to more than that, wasn't there? It wasn't 62, 109.63. Had a couple of scalps on the way down, one up here and one about 60. Just waiting for it to drop about 3 pips lower to close these out. Wanted to break 40, and we'll be getting very close to closing those as well. Here we go, coming up to 40. We're at 41. A couple of pips lower. It's been a long afternoon to get these. But I got the shorts on far too early. And I should have closed out all the shorts I had before the 1:15 announcement. I was being a bit opportunistic, which is unprofessional. Right. Just had a restroom break and a snack. Fuel me through the afternoon. So look, it's bouncing off this 41 level. The low of the day was 35. So there's buyers at 41.40. You know, I've set that at 39 just to break through it. There we go. Bang. Down to 40. Just need the sellers to break it a bit lower, and a lot of these will get filled. So it's taken, I don't know, 2 hours I've been in this trade. Mainly through scalping before the announcement. That's what's kept me in it. No, just waiting for it to break 40. Just looking like it might do it now. About 2 pips lower. And we'll start closing. Some of these will close. Getting lifted. There's the sellers again. I mean, the other question is should I have taken off? Well, I could have got 4 off there. Should I have taken 4 off, put them back on? And it's pulling back from 40. There's obviously buyers down there. So, yeah, should have taken that, put them back on here. I missed 3 pips there. And it could still pull back all the way to 45, 46. And I did have them set at 41 initially, which definitely would have got filled. 40.5 would have got filled, probably. Oh well, hindsight's a wonderful thing. It does tend to bounce off these big support levels, though. You know, there are opportunities there. That was the big one. Take it off at 40, put it back on up here at 40, nearly 44. You'd have got 44 there. Anyway, didn't. Right. Looking for the next leg lower. And that is how quickly things change in Forex. But the trouble is that leg did break 40. That might take half an hour or an hour. That's even if it ever happens. Now it's bounced off 40. The market is different. Still looks like we're in a downward market, but you know, there's buyers there. Now would be ideal for putting them back on. 4 pips higher. 5 pips. You'd have got about 40 and a half. Get them back on maybe 43 and a half, 3 pips. But that's 3 pips you've taken off the market makers. Missed opportunity there. Right. Is this sellers again? Is this the sellers ready to have a run at 40 again? I keep missing these opportunities. I do need to get my decision making process a lot quicker. I should have closed a lot out there. Even the ones that were slightly in loss. We're in a profit. That's not a bad run. 60 down to 40, 20 pips. Now we've got to see what happens next. Right, here we go. Sellers bringing it down. Right, 42s. I mean, we were probably only 2 pips away from getting filled. Maybe less, 1.5. Yeah, about 1.5, because I'd have thought we'd have got 40.5. Right, now, are they struggling to get it lower? Well, I'd have thought they're going to have another run at this and break it. There's buyers there at 42, holding it up. Now you see, bang, they're down there again. Ah, they've broken it. Good. Right. See, if I closed out these all out at 42, now you could get them back on at 42 and a half. Maybe even 43. Anyway, we're inching around down here. Let's see if we can get lower. Yeah, there's still sellers out there. Question is are the buyers going to drive them off? Yeah, that 40.5 is looking very good back there. There's buyers defending this. Should I be taking these all off at 42? Yeah, see, look, we could have gotten back on 44. See, 2 pips. Now that would have been nice. Close it out there, put them back on. Back up here. And in fact, I should definitely have taken off the more vulnerable ones, the lower price ones, that one and that one. 42. I think I will next time. Foolish. I should have done it there. Should have done it there. See, are they now going to lift this? And is it going to take a big run to get back and break 40? Yeah. Well, I think we're going to take 42 on that one. And that one. Oh, no. Well, no, that is... Right, here we go. Close those. Oh, blow me. It's going right down through it this time. Right. Let's have a look at the pullback. Right, these might close yet. Yeah, the sellers there. Come on. What do we want? About another 3 pips. Yeah, come on. 39. Still 3 pips away, really. Right, they're getting held there. Come on. We closed out some. We just need the rest to go. Come on, where's the next leg lower? It's our sellers. So they're hitting the liquidity. But there's enough buyers there to hold them. That's where they're holding him, 38.5. We've got 3 on. Yeah, that's now. You could have a cheeky sale on there and take it off at 40. So I got 41.2. Would have been better off up here, but didn't get it. So it's been down to 35 earlier in the day, but it does look like it's well defended down here. There's buyers. Perhaps I should have taken all those off there and had it. Anyway, we'll see. Yeah, so these 5-6 pips out of the money. 5 pips out of the money. Right, here we go. It's having another go. Here come the sellers. That's about half a pip away from getting filled. Now, can they get it any lower? Right, that should fill one of them. Right, what about 40? You know, when... lifted. Should I have taken them? Well, 39. Now it's 40. You know, the buyers are managing to stop the sellers each time. And we're coming up to the hour sooner or later. Yeah, see, look, that's the selling pressure relieved. Bang. That's a big buy order, that is. Oh, at 45. That's why. That is a order on 15-minute chart. That's why I should have taken the 39. You don't know when these things are coming. Now, will the sellers get it back under control again? And was that too opportunistic, putting it on at, oh yeah, look, 45, 47, 48? I would have thought the sellers would be happy to sell into this. Wow, they're good shorts. People have got 47 up here. Nice. Now the sellers have regained composure. 42 will get filled in 0.4 of a pip. There, filled. Right, now then, the sellers can have a good run and try and break through this. And look, each time it's higher. It's not a good sign, that. What did it get down to? 41. 3.2 pips away. See, it's just lifting nicely off the bottom if you're a buyer. Where are the sellers? Back up here at 45. Well, we've got 12 minutes to go till the hour, and to be honest, I don't really want any more size on. It's just grinding off the bottom. Right, where are the sellers? And by the looks of it, they're not really provoked till it's up here at 48. That's where the big orders on the order book are. But they ran out of... Well, yeah, see, sell at 47, you can close them out at 40. You've got 5 pips there. That was a good short on there. So close to getting out of this. I should have had some more size on into that. Right. Is this where it has a go again? Just these 3 positions I can't get out of. And I thought that would have broken, but it didn't. So close, yet so far. Right, so look, we're up here at 46s again. Now, there should be some sellers up here. Question is are there enough? Come on. You know, lifting nicely off the bottom if you're a buyer. The seller's going to have a good go at that to get anywhere near that. Damn it. I mean, I was, what, about 3.5 pips away from getting all those filled. And that was all the distance in the world. It's not a bad price to get the short on at that. And then we can take it off at 40. That's if it will get down there again. In fact, the last one didn't, did it? And that will get filled. I don't know if it's going to have a run at that for a while. That's forming up above the trend line. And we're coming up to the hour. Does seem a bit opportunistic, that. Yeah, it's not really. Look, lifting now. Lifting nicely away to 50. So, that was a poor decision. Opportunistic. You might stand more of a chance up here. 48. For somebody got shorts on at 49. That one's a bad short up there. Especially if you got them on at 49. I'd be closing them out now. Two pips in the money, maybe 3 if you're lucky. Well, we'll see how this plays out. We'll take the risk off that one if we get a chance. Well, the Bund is selling off, which is good news. Now it's rising again. See, there's sellers out there. There's not enough of them with any conviction, is the honest answer. Right, they're having a go again. Take that. Can always get it back on if it pulls back. Wow, they are having a go. Down to 42. And they are proper having a go before the hour. Go on. Well, they got it down to 40.5. Is that where they run out of steam? I mean, that's not a bad run. 49 to 40. Yeah, have they got any more conviction to keep it under here? Come on. What have you got? Yeah, that would have filled my 41, wouldn't it? That would have filled there. Well, I'm surprised to see it forming up below the trend line so early, but the buyers are going to try and lift that. This is why I should have closed these at a loss here. Got them on there, closed out. Got them on there, closed out. Got them on here, closed out. Sometimes you're better off taking a small loss. Because you see, the small loss would take off all the exposure, the risk, and that's why you take the small loss. I find it very difficult to do, but it's something I'm going to have to learn to do. You know, should I have closed them there? I'd have got 41. Come on. Let's see if we can break this 40 level. There we go. They're having a look again. Right, they're in 41s. They're in 40s. Driven back off 40. So that's buyers on the order book. Come on. Where's your next leg? You see, the sellers who sell here must be thinking they can break 49 into the high 30s. There's no other reason you'd sell here unless you thought you were going to get to 35-ish. You're not selling at 41. Here we go. To, yes, come on. They're banging their head against it. Wow. That's a big order come through. Yeah, I was a bit. Well, there's no announcements due. Not that I'm aware of. Nothing due. 3 o'clock. Unless IG have missed it. Which is entirely possible. No, I think that's a big order because those sellers wouldn't have been trying to bang on the door of 40 if an announcement was coming. Oh, God, now it's going up. And we're in this the wrong way. But 65 is all it made earlier. Take that. Just in case they run it up some more. There we go. See, Take that, couple of pips. Right, is this now beginning to sell off? Beginning to look that way. Take that, couple of pips. Well, they run it up to 65. This is why you need plenty of liquidity, so you're not margin called. And it's also why you keep taking risk off. Right, is it going to drop from here? It looks like it should. What's my average price? 42.7. Right, here we go. This is why it's dangerous to be holding positions over the hour. As you saw, 25 pip spike. Right, so this grinding off nicely to 50. Damn, should have probably come out of it there. Because it's going to bounce at 50. Yeah, I wonder if I'd have got 50. Then you could have got it back on there at 53. Right, selling off again. 350 the second time. Right, their sellers really are having a go this time, aren't they? Right. All the way back down to 40. Look at that. Look at that, all the way to 42. Should have closed that out. Right, come on. I think that's got a what you call it in it. Well, it got to 42. Here we go. Come on, have another go at breaking lower. I think we'll take that one off there. That's not a bad trade. And let's see if it's going to have another go at this 40 level. Come on. So we've bagged some profits there. Now, can it break 40 and get into the 30s? Here we go. We're approaching 40 again. It's getting lifted. There we go. Approaching 40 again. So now you've seen some real trading. That is the Forex market working. Now, is it going to ever go at 40 or is it going to give up? We got to 40.6 that time. So sellers there at 44. This is where all the buyers are down here, 40 and below, serious buyers. And there wasn't a lot of liquidity in buyers here, which is why the sellers have run it back down. Now, are we going to break 40? Can we break 40? Damn it. So I think the best we probably had was 41 on the offer. See, they're beginning to fight it out now, more the buyers and the sellers. So the sellers up there at 45, buyers down here at 40. This is where the battle commences again. Come on. Yes. Yes, come on. Come on, break 40. Yep, come on, break there, 39. Come on. It's going. It's going. Go on. 38.5. We're a couple of pips. Here we go. We might start getting filled. 37.4. Yes, one filled. There we go. The lot filled. That is how you scalp. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe.